decision at the back of the court, costing Victor Axelsen.
Oh, Jamin really thought she had that one, but it was lightning reflexes from the world number 6.
Don't believe it! What a way to win the match. A sort of windmill.
There's so many dimensions to badminton. When we look at it from the camera angle, we just see entertainment. Sometimes with a different camera angle, you see technicality.
Yeah.
But there's still more dimensions.
He's doing everything.
I mean, he's just showing off at this point.
Oh, what a point. 2 superb points that you feel are going to make it into social media tomorrow.
Aduh, tanggung ini. Oh, refleks yang bagus. Ya!